How to convert a list of characters to a string in Python. Take a list of characters in my list. Say H, E, L, L, O. To convert this list of characters to a string value, use string join method. Call join method on an empty string and pass the given list of characters as argument to the join method. The join method returns a string value created by joining the elements in the given list, with the empty string as delimiter between the elements. Store the returned value in a variable result. Let us print the resulting string to output using a print statement. Run the program. The resulting string is printed to the output. This is how we convert a given list of characters to a string value in Python. In summary, we have used the string join method to convert a given list of characters to a string value. Thank you for watching Python courses by CoderBeing. Please like the video, subscribe to our channel.